All right, what's up, everybody? We're here for another episode of Hanging Out. It's me and Jess.
Today Mommy at work.
Mommy's at work today, so we are doing our thing. We're recording a podcast.
So we got the GoPro, the camera, and the computer, right?
That's right. Yep, we got her set up and ready to do our podcast. Hey, Jess. So today, what do you think we should talk about today?
Candy.
I do like talking about candy. So let's cover candy today. Let's talk about Super Mario Brothers, because that's one of the things that you like right now, right?
And Amazon.
And Amazon. All right, so we're going to cover 3 topics today. We're going to talk about candy, Super Mario Brothers, and Amazon. Join us. Let's go. All right, Jess. So today, let's go and start off. We're going to talk first about candy. What are some of your favorite candies right now? Hard to think, huh?
Sour Patch.
Usually you do like Sour Patch. Jesse, you also like the little sour gummy worms, right? The sour worms. Those are some of your favorites, right?
Yeah.
One of my favorites is Lifesavers gummies. I love Lifesavers gummies.
Yeah. They're sweet.
Now we're gonna move on to our second topic of the day, and that is Mario. Jesse, tell me about Super Mario Brothers. What do you like about Super Mario Brothers?
He jump.
That's right. Where do you get your exposure to Super Mario?
To McDonald's.
Oh, McDonald's has Super Mario toys now. If you guys haven't noticed recently, there's been a resurgence of Mario toys, Mario games. I feel like Nintendo has just brought that back up so strong, and it's selling to a whole new generation.
And Mario toys.
That's right. One of the things I noticed was on Amazon Prime, which is what we're going to talk about next, there was a gameplay or a playthrough that started showing up on Amazon Prime. Really crazy, because my son started watching it, and it's clean. There's no cussing or anything like that, but he really enjoyed it, and he enjoyed watching the gameplay. And so from that, I feel like Mario has really just exploded right back on the map. Mario was everywhere. Again, he got a Happy Meal today, and it was a Super Mario Brothers toy, and he even knows all the characters now, which is amazing for a 3-year-old to know that.
I got the little tiny game.
He got a little tiny game today. It was really good. Tell me about some of your favorite characters that you like, Jess.
Mario and Boo. No, I like Bowser.
He likes Bowser, which is interesting, because Bowser is He's the boss he's the bad guy, right?
Yeah, he do super fire.
He does do super fire, yes, and he knows it because of the gameplay. So good job, Mario, for coming back up on the market strong. We will probably buy a Wii now. We will probably buy into the franchise for a whole nother 30 years because of this kid, you know?
How we gonna buy the Mario game?
Oh, that's a good question. Maybe we can buy it on segue to our third topic on Amazon.
But we gotta turn on the TV.
That's right. So Amazon is everywhere. This is our third topic. We're going to talk about Amazon. We love Amazon. Amazon is one of those things where it's just kind of taken over our world.
Amazon is on Mario.
That's right. Mario is on Amazon. That's correct. Yep. So one of the things that we've noticed is that Amazon obviously is everywhere. He knows Amazon. We know Amazon. We buy things on Amazon. We order stuff from Amazon all the time. Jesse, what is the one thing that you know about Amazon? Like, what is Amazon?
Mario.
Well, what else is on Amazon?
Mario.
Well, Jesse might not know this, but every time we come home, there's a box that sometimes is in front of our house. And that box is very recognizable, right? What is that box?
I just got the new iPad.
That's right. He got not an iPad, but you got an Amazon Fire.
Yeah.
Recently was Prime Day. We got to order Jesse Amazon Fire. Do you love it?
Yeah.
Absolutely.
And it didn't work, and then we come back to, and then we don't to, and then I think, and then it was working. Bye.
Yo, what's up, everybody? So today we got to talk about some things that we love right now, and those are candy. We love Mario, and we also love
Amazon.
We get to order so many cool things at Amazon. Thank you guys for joining us. We're done for the day. Join us next time as we talk more about life, culture, and the things that we're enjoying. Guys, see you later. Peace.
Peace.